Don't ever call me that name!
Breaking news. The Chimichanga Bank was robbed by a crazy person today. Happy Saturday.
You hear that, Mufasa? Somebody robbed the bank. I wonder who it was.
Yeah, I wonder who it was.
Ah!
I know who it was. Don't you ever knock?
No, Slim Jim. Oh, hey, baby Trevor.
What the hell are you doing here?
Well, I just robbed the bank, so I need somewhere to lay low. Eh?
So you think to yourself, where should I go? I know, Trevor's house.
I don't like those faces you making, you son of a booska.
Well, get out of here before the cops show up.
FBI, open up!
It's time for war!
What the hell?
I guess Billy is still stuck in the washing machine.
Well, I'm gonna go get dinner started. Weirdo. I'm gonna go use the toilet so I can be away from here.
Hey! What a wise guy. I'm gonna use my phone.
Timmy, you left your doll outside?
Yeah, whatever.
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Please, get me out!
Please, why are you doing this?
Well, I need a new body, and I'm gonna transfer my soul into your body.
What? Couldn't you pick someone more useless? Like my brother Billy?
Shut up! Let the ritual begin!
Please, no!
My face!
Will you quit complaining about your big chin face and get up? Yeah, get up, big chin.
Why don't you go do something, big mouth?
You know what? I will.
Timmy, I don't think that's a good idea.
Mom, they don't call me Mr. Miyagi for nothing. Karate chop that freak, Timmy! Looks like your baby chainsaw doesn't work anymore. Oh, crap! That's what I'm talking about, Timmy! Time to say goodbye, freak!
Brutality.
Sorry.
Timmy! I knew that was gonna happen to you.
You be quiet!
It's showtime.
Oh my gosh, I felt the baby kick. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and I'm feeling good.
Are you pregnant again? Or did you swallow another cow?
Oh, I'm pregnant, you idiot.
I'm pregnant, you idiot! You're an idiot!
What brings you here, sis? Well, I finally decided I'm gonna introduce you guys to my husband.
No!
We'd love to meet him. Where is he? Oh, he'll be here soon. Excuse you, I need to take a seat.
Then sit on the floor.
Get up, Weasel. Oh.
So, where's your husband?
Calm down, Alejandro. Daddy's right there.
Hello.
What the hell is that?
Why are you yelling, Billy?
Get out of here, alien!
Oh.
Hadouken!
My husband!
Brutality.
Hey, hey, hey!
What?
What is that you're holding?
It's fruit punch.
Oh, great! Thanks!
You sorry excuse for a son.
Oh, help!
Oh, oh!
Oh, snap!
Ah, my foot! My foot! Ah!
Well, you should have never drank my juice.
You're done! You're done! You're done!
Who you calling?
You mind your business.
Yes, hello?
Yeah, hello, Grandma.
Oh, hey, Timmy. Long time. How you been?
Oh, you know, chilling like a villain. But anyway, Papa Big Chin flew me across the room.
Oh, really? I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Okay, bye.
Why'd you call your grandma?
You was done, my boy.
Hello, beautiful, powerful mother-in-law.
Never put your hands on my grandbaby.
Okay, that's enough. What do you want, money? Here.
Silence, demon!
Please. I could babysit them. You don't have to call Debbie.
Sorry, I already called her. I'll be back later tonight.
Hey, why you recording me? Delete that.
Make me!
Don't look at me.
Boshka! Who gave you permission to stand? Yeah. Hey, baby Trevor. Okay, listen up, everyone. I ate expired Chinese food last night, so my stomach is a little bubbly.
Ain't nobody wanna know that.
So, I'm gonna be in the bathroom. No one move a muscle.
How long you gonna be in the bathroom?
An hour. Maybe 2. So zip it, jumbo lips.
There's our chance to escape. Come on. We're gonna leave out the front door. Is that a camera?
Trying to escape?
Dad, what's wrong?
We're all dead.
No, I'm too young to die.
You like my camera, baby Trevor? Oh, snap! There. Next time, don't try to run away.
Please, get me down.
Nope. You should have thought about that before. Hey, baby Trevor, you okay over there? Well, then next time, don't run your mouth to your wife.
You're not my dad's wife.
You son of a bushka.
Hey, Debbie, you can't do this to us. I'm sick and tired of you treating us like slaves when you come babysit.
That's how you feel, Jumbo Lips? Well, then hands on the couch.
What for?
You know what for.
I'm sorry. Please, don't do this.
Hi, Timmy. Now count to 3.
1.
Ah!
What do you think you're doing?
I'm being the mother they never had.
You can never replace me.
Wrong, Amanda. Bushka.
Mom, you saved us.
I'm gonna go get dinner started.
Come on, sing with me and know a certain song. A certain melody goes la la la.
Now I gotta work late tonight, and Debbie's on her way here to babysit. Got it? Good.
Well, it looks like it's time for me to run away from home.
No, run away tomorrow. You're not leaving me here by myself today.
But isn't Billy and Casper home?
I don't know. Do I look like someone who pays attention to them?
What the hell, bro?
Run. She's here. Oh. Did you have to break my window? And why are you standing like that? You're not a superhero.
You're right, baby Trevor. I'm not a superhero. I'm a villain. Okay. Where's Puppet Boy?
Ahoy, villagers!
No shoes in this house.
But you're wearing shoes too.
You son of a bushka. Oh, you could run, boy. I mean, girl.
I should have ran away with Casper.
Okay, since it's only you two, we can skip the chores and y'all can watch me dance.
Oh, Papa!
What?
Godzilla's destroying the city.
Don't wake me up again.
Go, it's your turn.
Oh, Father!
Go ahead, Sunshine. Tell him why you woke him up.
I forgot. The next person to wake me up is getting one of these.
Come on, Billy.
But why can't you wake him up?
Because he told me to tell you to wake him up, dummy.
Whatever. Oh, Trevor! I felt the baby carry.
Oh, Father, I'm gonna go outside and play with my new scooter.
No, you can't.
You can't tell me what to do. This guy.
Yeah, Timmy, you can't go. There's a tornado outside. Yeah, didn't you see the news? Look.
Breaking news. A tornado is destroying houses in your area. Now, everyone scream.
Ow. I'm gonna go get some Oreos.
Well, looks like I'll just use my scooter inside the house.
I don't care. Just don't annoy me.
I believe I could fly. I believe I could touch the sky. I'm a bird. Caw.
My toes! You ran over my toes, you moron!
Well, why was your foot in my way?
That's it. Give me that scooter.
Well, you gotta catch me first.
Get back here.
Open the door, Timmy.
Now. So then the whole neighborhood started taking pictures of his shoes.
Stop making fun of my shoes.
Let me see him. Stick your foot out.
Oh. Hey, why are you taking pictures of me? Ugh.